Good morning, viewers. I am top astrologer M. Rajasekharan. In this prediction video, I would like to tell you about the Nifty projection for the year 2021. Disclaimer: out of 10 predictions made, I am getting 7 to 8 predictions correct. Viewers are requested to make a note of this point. The views expressed in this channel should not be taken as a share trading advice. Previous prediction check. Earlier, I have predicted that between 258 2021, Nifty will rise by 200 points and the Bank Nifty will rise by 600 points. Now you see the prediction had come true. This is bull run. In 2 days, Nifty rose by 372 points. So all those who stayed with the market would have benefited a lot. In the next 1.5 years, you can expect this kind of rises and also similar falls which occurred during 16/6/2021 to 18/6/2021. Anyone who has a strategy to counter the unexpected sharp falls will stand to gain out of these sharp rises. The simple strategy is to stay with the market for a long time. Indian stock market projection. Nifty crossed 16,000 points on 3/8/2021. I expected this to happen around 23/7/2021. I have also predicted that, but it occurred only on 3/8/2021. In 2 days, Nifty rose by 367 points. This is the bull run I expected. Finally, it had started to materialize. But still, I stick to my old prediction only. See, this is my old projection. I expect a low point around 17/8/2021. Then the high, new high point is around 17/9/2021. I have earlier predicted that the new high point will be around 15,900 plus. Now maybe I can add 100 more points. I can say that around 17/9/2021, 16,000 plus, like that. Then it is the same as earlier predicted. I expect Nifty to consolidate above this 15,900 level after 23/9/2021. Up to this 23/9/2021, Nifty will move up and down around this 16,000 points mark. From now, there are only two possibilities. One, without falling below 15,600 mark, Nifty has to consolidate in this 15,900 above level, or Nifty has to fall below 15,600 mark and then consolidate in the above 15,900 mark. So in a 2 months range, Nifty shows some solid rise. As I said earlier, because of the effect of the two good yogas, this is good yoga 1, this is good yoga 2, these were earlier predicted. Because of this effect of these two good yogas, they always pushes the market up. My paper trade. I have heard many experts say that 99% of traders lose money in stocks trading. I wonder, if I stay invested in the market for a long time, how can I lose? For example, I purchased Bank Nifty on 15/7/2021 morning at the rate of 35,750 points. After this purchase, Bank Nifty went down. Now Bank Nifty is 35,250. My loss is reduced very much. In 1 month, you will see Bank Nifty above 35,750 points. The points above 35,750 may be more or less, but profit is guaranteed. I also made trade only. I purchased on 15/7/2021 and planned to sell it on 23/7/2021 because I expected Nifty to be above 16,100 on 23/7/2021. It did not occur. I suffered loss. To set right the trade, what I did is I did not sell my purchase and book loss. I retained my purchase of Bank Nifty for some more time. That's all. Now you tell me why one has to lose money in stocks trading if they relied upon the good yoga 1 and good yoga 2. But if I trade on the individual stocks, then this sort of certainty cannot be attained. The reason is somehow I fixed the horoscope of Indian stock market. Similarly, if the horoscope can be fixed like this for a stock, then in that stock trade also we can bring that sort of certainty. My predictions versus others' predictions. As far as stock market is concerned, most of the astrology predictions are based on the transit of the planets. So they are unable to see the future for a long time and as a whole. But the actual events are decided by the horoscope and the Dasabhukti. My predictions are based on the horoscope and the Dasabhukti. That is why I could be able to see the path of the market for a long time. Past predictions check. So far, all my long-term predictions of Indian stock market had come true. I had predicted in March 2021 that we have a bull run for 6 months from 16/6/2021. In June 2021, everybody started to believe in the bull run. When from 16/6/2021 to 18/6/2021, the markets fell, people thought that my prediction of bull run failed. On 4/7/2021, I again reiterated that we have a bull run. Now everybody start to believe in the bull run. It is no wonder if somebody says today that we have a bull run. To see it on March 2021 and predict it requires a lot of skill. That's what my astrology system is all about. Only short time and day predictions have failed many times. I admit to that. In the longer run, that will also improve. I will upload a separate video on occurred predictions so far. Indian stock market projection. Now let us see the long time stock market projection. I am also watching the prediction videos which my viewers are watching. I have noticed that some analysts and astrologers are too optimistic and they give exaggerated figures. Some astrologers and analysts are too pessimistic. I thought that it would be better if I can share my views according to Stop Astrological System. In the next 5 months, I expect the markets to grow, but I don't think heavyweight shares like RIL, HDFC Bank are going to perform well. This will prevent the indexes from reaching a very high point. Earlier, my projection for December 2021 is 20,000 to 21,000 points. As I sense that there is no way both RIL and HDFC Bank can help the index to grow and they may also pull down the index. I am revising the future projection. Now I expect the Nifty to reach 18,000 points in December 2021. I am neither too optimistic nor too pessimistic about Indian stock market. You can see the projection in the next slide. The same slide. As I have already told you that around 17/9/2021, I am expecting Nifty to consolidate in the above 16,000 points level. From there it can go to 18,000 points in during December 2021. The up and down will be there as usual. This 18,000 points projection is based on the assumption that Reliance Industries and HDFC Bank shares are performing poorly. Once if these two shares turn to rising path, then I will increase my projection of 18,000 points in December 2021, maybe to 19,000 or 20,000 points. That I will decide or I will tell you once I feel that HDFC Bank and RIL had turned to the rising path. My long term projection is that Nifty should grow 2 to 3 times from what it is today. See, this is it. The maximum point of Viparit Raja Yoga of Indian stock market is around this February 2026. This is the good yoga one. By that time, I expect Nifty to be there around from 30,000 to 45,000 point zone. That is from today, I expect Nifty to grow 2 to 3 times. So I would stay with the market without bothering about the short time losses so that I can enjoy the long time benefit. Thank you.